This is Maryland Public Television, and it's time now for the Nightly Biz Report for this Friday, December 23rd, 1988. Good evening, everybody. I'm Peter Wiggins. What's happening? The hidden losses in the government's huge portfolio of subsidized loans and loan guarantees have been reached startlingly high levels of budget. Experts said they add that the losses will continue to cost taxpayers billions of dollars in years to come. The Defense Department says 4 major arms makers, not 8, face possible criminal prosecution for illicit possession of secret government documents. On Wednesday, the director of the Defense Investigative Service told a congressional committee that 8 companies which he named were involved in trafficking in secret documents. The companies under investigation are Boeing, General Dynamics, Martin Marietta, and Sanders Associates. The cigarette industry is waging a witchly finance campaign to oppose city, county, and state anti-smoking laws. The company's aggressive use of economic influence to defeat the legislation, even if small cities, is more widespread and intense than ever before. Sales of new cars and light trucks rose 14.4% in mid-December, bolstered by sweetened buyer incentives. Transco Energy Company has agreed to buy CSX's interstate natural gas pipeline subsidiary, Texas Gas Transmission, and 2 related units for $571 million. The acquisition would unite Transco's 10,000-mile gas transmission system and natural gas, which extends from the Gulf of Mexico across the Deep South and up to New England, with the Texaco Gas, a 6,000-mile distribution network in the South and Middle regions. Reckoning stock soared $6.25 to $24.50 after its management said it was negotiated to sell the chemical producer. Its company is sold for more than the recent $16 to $18 stock price. Its dominant shareholders will enjoy a multi-million-dollar windfall. American brand stock rose amid speculation that the tobacco and consumer products concern would receive an unsolicited takeover bid. The stock rose $10.125, a 17% increase to $67.75 in the big board. Henson has acquired a stake in Cummins Engine. The giant British conglomerate told the SEC that if they had paid $44.8 million for 8.32% of the nation's largest maker of diesel engines. Harold C. Simmons has taken a stake in Lockheed. The company strengthened its anti-takeover measures requiring any hostile bidder to acquire all its shares. Bloomingdale's executives met with Wall Street Journal's managing editor to complain of inaccuracies in a story published in the journal early this month. This retail has been seeking a corrective article. This journal has been in its ground. AMP will pay $76 million for Borman, which operates the Farmer Jack supermarket chain in the Detroit area. The stock market edged higher in sluggish pre-holiday trading is passed by real and rumor takeovers at Dow Jones Industrial added 8.57 points to close at 2,168.93 for the week. The Dow gained 18.22 points at 5th consecutive weekly event. A brief but sharp rally in Chicago's Treasury bond futures market caused prices to move up to the cash market. Dealers said that the events reflected largely technical factors. Dollar ended the week slightly higher against all major currencies except the British pound after abbreviated pre-holiday trading. Gold prices also rose. Copper future prices also surged and shortened in a pre-holiday COMEX session as concerns about tight supply strengthened. Today's columns, the cost of raising a baby can range from $10,000 to $60,000 in the first 2 years of a child's life. Clairol has invented a way to bleach hair with lasers, but practical use is a long way off. Dow Jones closed at 21,693, up 857, $124.80 yen, up 4.12 yen. Gold $418, unchanged, and bonds 8.89%, down 3 cents. That's been an announcement report for this December 23rd, 1988 on a Friday. I'm Pearson. Have a good night. Have a good weekend. Have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you Monday. Good night.